I was following the Android Codelab, and at some point, I have met this error: duplicate resources, duplicate resources. So I didn't restart or didn't go to GitHub and download the earlier module 1 source code. So I did not get it. I tried to find out what was the problem. The application the tutorial that I was following, this one, this code lab, for the changing the icons and resources. Okay, it'll change the themes, colors. So I was doing this, and maybe I have screwed up somewhere, and I could not figure it out how to solve it. So the problem was this one, this error: duplicate resources. It shows this one, duplicate resources. The sound came from the came from outside street, very noisy street. So anyway, this is the thing. We had these duplicate resources. So I went and dig out the internet and Stack Overflow and all these places. Most of the things are correct. No problem at all. So actually, it's written here. If you click on this, these 17 arrows that you shows, if you double click on it, it will show you the errors that you have in this folder, in this tab. In this tab, okay, if you double click on this one and this tab, it shows you what are the files that are double, duplicate. So it has this whole information here, and you can see the whole path here. You can see the whole path here. These are the copies. Same thing, to copy. There are more actually. You can see here. You can see it goes further down the lane. So what it means that you have two resource at the same time for the assigned to the same variable. So it doesn't know, Android Studio does not know how to solve this issue by cleaning or rebuilding the project. It doesn't help. You can try this, build, and then you can see that this is the build, and then come down to clean project or rebuild project. Clean project first, then rebuild the project. It's supposed to go away, but it doesn't go away. So technique is simple. You take the path. You see the path here. It tells you this is for me, for my OS, my operating system. This is my path to the files that I have duplicates. I saw here this one, and I went down and stretched. I went to the right. You can see I can go right further to see the files that are duplicates. You can see So I understand. So these are duplicates. So since the Android Studio could not handle it, and the simple way to solve it is by going into that directory that you have, the path that you have in your there are some, okay, in your path in your computer. For me, this is the path where these two files resides. The same naming files reside. You just delete the old one. So I take this one with the dates, dates. I look at the dates here. I see that there are two types of files. I had one on Monday, one on Friday. The one on Friday is the new one. The one on Monday was the old one. So I deleted that. That solves the problem. I will do, since I already have had few, so I deleted few. Now I will go to the next 17 errors that I have. So I'm going to go to my Android Studio, and I go into that errors and found out what was the path. Okay, the new path is new 17 errors. So this new path is, let me check it out. Okay, this is the pair that I have. Duplicate resource. You can see that this is the pair. My next path is tip time app source main, and then resource res bitmap xhdp I see lunch and char. I see launcher round webp, and I also have I see launcher round png. So that's the problem. Out of these two files, I will delete the old one. I go to the path, let's say the path, remember, mipmap xx-xx hdpi. We'll go to that path or directory or folder. I go here, and on this one, I got to go one more up. Okay. Here xxhdpi, this one. I click this one, you can see I have the same two files, same name with the different extensions. That means two types of file with the same names, meaning that same variable assigning to the two values. Looks like. So we here I told you earlier that I have these Monday ones are the old ones, so I'll just delete the Monday ones. I'll keep the Friday ones. So I go there and delete these two files, and remember I had 17 errors. So this is the Monday ones. I'm going to delete it. For me it's different because it's a different. What do you mean by there? Move to trash. This is a Unix Linux group Windows kind OS. Not going to say the name because I don't know when it will be sold to some company, and I will be stupid later. I will look like stupid later. Last time I used to promote Ubuntu. Now I found out some people bought it over. So now I did not change the videos, but what to do? So for me, I'm not going to tell you which OS I use, but it is not Windows. Okay, it is in the Unix Linux side. Okay, some graphical user interface. So for me, I have to press this new Monday one. So I will delete this one, IC launcher, uh, PNG. I will remove it. So for me, I will use this one. Looks like a trash one. So I'm going to take this one away, throw it away. No worries. If it doesn't work, I will restart again this tip time that I've been learning online. So I can go back and restart again if it doesn't work. So let's see if my correct. I'm trying to use my own IQ to fix it. Anyway, new users, I don't know how you will know, but this is how to dig out these problems and solutions by yourself. Anyways, let's check it out. We had 17 hours, and now we will compile it in this thing. I'll compile it and check it out. How does it look like after compiling? If it fails, or do I have error? Okay, let's start it. Okay, it's compiling. It's taking time, and I have errors. Now I have errors. Oh, it reduced. It has reduced the number of errors. The number of errors now is 13. Here you can see. So I know the reason now. I got to go to triple X now. Triple X HDPI. So I go here. Just blindly go here and delete the Monday ones. That should be okay. Since I'm learning, making mistakes is not a big deal. But I do not want to lose it, what I have already made it. So I will just delete the Monday ones. Okay, this is Monday ones. Okay, I checked it out here. You see, this is Monday ones. Okay, these two PNG files are Monday ones. So I'm going to delete the Monday ones. Okay, so this is the right click here. The Friday ones are the new ones that is added in that lesson, where you learn themes and icons or all those things in the Codelab. So this is the problems you might be facing. You just got to go to the path that is shown here in the error and delete the old ones. The new ones are WebP. The old ones was PNG. So okay. Since you're doing programming, you know what I'm talking about. PNG, what is WebP? This is not a question to be asked. Anyway, this is the 13 errors. Let's check out how many errors do I have now. Okay, let's check it out. It should reduce more. Not going to be 13. Definitely going to reduce to let us see. And we have been given 9 errors. So I know that the rest of it is where to look for it. So I got to go just upstairs. Let's go upstairs and let's go to my. Let's try this. Now I got to check it out. Looks like I don't know. Looks like I also have the information here. HDPI, meetmap-HDPI. Okay, let's check it out. Let us go to our folder. Okay, HDPI, let's fix it. And only I have one PNG, I guess. This is the old one. Just one. Okay, fine. We have just one, and let's see. We have moved to trash, and we'll check the rest of it. We got the idea already. We got the idea. I guess. No, not this one. No. Okay, not here. I guess we are done. I guess so. I guess so. No. Oh, HDPI meet map HDPI meet map HDPI. This one. Let's run it. Let's compile it. Okay. I'm just following like you. If you didn't know, we have a big problem. Looks like. Okay. Let's click here. Let's click here and go there and see what you got here. Where to go? MIBAP HDPI. Okay, next. Enter. This one. I think I went there and deleted. Check it out. So I go to that resources directory. Let's go to HDPI. Oh, looks like we have more than 2 here. Or is it there? Is it? Doing it twice. I do not know. Let's just follow like a novice. Okay. We are going to do a clean project thing. Let us see. Okay, we are done. Let's rebuild the project. Are we done? Yeah, we are done. Let's rebuild the project. Rebuild the project. See if I have errors or not. We have errors. 4 errors we have 4 errors. Ladies and gentlemen, we will finish this up. MDPI. We will go there. Oh my. We go to MDPI. Okay. HDPI. Been to HDPI. And I got to go to MDPI. This is the one. We have 2 more here. Blindly you can see the PNG ones and the old ones. The one that is added through the tutorial are the WebP. So I can just blindly clean that. Now I got to go here. I should go to the build, then clean project. Okay. Now we will do the rebuild thing again. We will go like a novice. Let's say we do not know any other studio. It's working. And looks like we have passed that problem. Yes, we have passed through that. So you see how to get rid of this double resource, duplicate resources. error after during code lab. uh, the, the the code lab provided by Android. All right. Don't forget to look at my coffee address.